I'm going to show my sisters a model today. Top style to wear together with a long mini skirt. We will sew this dress with the material. Soft fabric, for example, rough bucket. Silk. Let's wear cotton to keep it cool. This shirt will be the neck of the heart and will have a round neckline in the top corner. Your hand will be your hand, and this shirt is going to twist slightly in the fabric. I'll twist it myself. It's right where the waist is. I will guide this dress. The skirt is A. There are elastic bands for my sisters to wear to the beach. Or is. If it's elastic, I'll check the zipper on the side. Check the zipper on the side. Make it beautiful. Then this sample will have the following measurement. I'll take a shoulder measurement, neck, bust, waist, butt, and waist length. Now we're going to start. Go into the design for the front. This shirt will be the part of the shirt. And she's got a round heart. I'm going to design this shirt now, and it's short of the waist. I took this shirt for 50. And then we build a perpendicular line. I'm going to take my shoulder. Shoulder divide 2 is equal to 32, divide 2 is equal to 16. I brought in 16. This shirt has no buttons. This shirt is just a button, girls. 16. And then you're going to take down 4. I will take her and divide 5 by 30. Dividing by 5 is equal to 6. I took in 6. Then I connected the neckline to the lower shoulder line. Next, I'll take the chest. Divide by 5 and you add 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. I took it from the top down to 18. And then I'll take the chest piece. Is equal to your chest divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I took over this is 22. Then I'll take the lower part. If I lower my waist here, I get 35. And then my waist, this is my waist, divide by 4 plus 2. 64. Divide by 4 plus 2, it's 18. And this part, it is right at the waist, so I'm not going to get my ass. Then you will connect this road. Perpendicular transport back out for yourself a gasoline and here you get yourself to gas. Then, like I said, this shirt was a bat sleeve from the beginning. So I'm going to go this way. If you have fabric, well, you'll start from here. Go to the outer corner for yourself. The elbow is about the same. 35 cubic meters of gas. Out of this 35 centimeter gas, it'll come right to the elbow. I've only got to here. You have to be 30 to get it right. Long arm shape. But the long arm is the same way I designed it, so I collect. Keep his hand short. And from here, you're down to 3. There it is, the square ruler. I'll put this perpendicular to this point. At this point, it's going to be right. Then you will go. From that angle, right angle, we're going to curve. Go. Then about the hand. It's this shirt. It's a round neck at the top. Then from here you step back into to gas. I built a square ruler ha. Let's go the curve. Is equal to 7 petrol. And then you're going to bend. This way down is the heart. Then we'll get the shirt. From the bottom right here, you'll cut your borders. This is where we're going to separate the neck. Round. And this hand you're going to cut out by 35. And this is the front body. Or, once you've done the body part first, then we will do it for the back body. By being from the shoulder line of the front torso, I'll get to gas. And then here we're going to bend over here and there's 3 petrol. And it's the same. You'll also take the right perpendicular line. This hand. I'll also take a perpendicular line. And down here, you take the same because this is a bat sleeve. It is a loose form shirt so you are comfortable. I can do it. Now cut. Later, you will cut the red line. Come back here, first cut the blue line. Come back here, and this one doesn't have seams. When you put on the cloth, then we have to cut the seams. I'll get the body back cut based on the previous body. Then you will cut the back part. It's exactly the same as the previous hybrid position. The body behind me is done. So now I'm going to cut the body first. You cut off the heart. The neck is round. Then we cut the road. And then like that, we've just done it. This is the front of the shirt. Before that, you will have 2 bodies. If you have 2, you will multiply by 1. Because this is a double line. We have the body. Front body, back body. You can see the hips. Then, after we've done the body part, it's done now. I'll continue with the dress. This dress will be a dress. Skirt A. I did a very simple movement. Then she'll come out with a dress for you. A. You will last longer, from the skirt to the ankle. Ankle up to the top. And then you'll cross the street. And this way, you will take it by the waist. Divide by 4 sisters plus 2 sides. Waist is 6/4 divided plus by 2 4 is equal to 16. Plus 2, it's going to be 18. After 18, we will cross a street. From top to bottom, you will get yourself a lower butt that's equal to 18. These two 18 figures are different. This number will change and this number will be fixed. It will be measured starting from the waist down to the largest part of the butt. Cross the path. Then I'll get my ass. Divide by 4 sisters plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is 21. The past is 2. Then I'll connect from this here you connect. And we're going to get this beautiful dress form here. You're going to get down to a gas station. This part you split in 2. I can draw the vertical part. What if you guys wear it? If you have a zipper, you can check the back or you can check the side. That's for the front. Dear friends, you will do it later. 2. Let me cut the part. The previous body is gone. I will show you how to cut your back from the previous body. Make it easy for you to imagine. And here we have a towel first. Now you put this front towel on. Let's do that for the back towel. Put it up like this. The body behind it will be different. The body in front of one place. That's where the horizontal line is. This is the horizontal position. I was down on a gas. Remember this hip. Just down a gas. Starting from this road, you will build for UR2. Fuel starts from this road. Up here are 2. And we're going to put the ruler perpendicular to it. Right at the point we just built. Let's get it back to the back of the body. In this part you will. 1 is that you will hit. Here, bend it so we can check the zipper here. And if we check the side zipper, then we'll do the same here. Let your back be hugged. And stand up and sit down. It's not overflowing. And then this body. This places. The body behind you is partly here. And then we're going to get the spandex out here. And here's the flank. That's it. So we're done with the dress. But this dress, it's just an address. It's not Maxi yet. Maxi, you have to widen your pants. The dress below. I was missing a little bit, so I cut it. Let the sisters imagine it. Well, we got the sail. In the back of the body, here you will draw the vertical part. I didn't say. Well now. The dress part, you like to write A like you already have A. And in the case you like the model, it's a maxi dress, it's longer. Then you must. I'll do one more operation for you. Front body and back body. I cut this line and I cut the side. Then you cut along the back side of the road, right? I'll get the body first. It comes out into pieces. You will put it on the cloth. You guys are going to expand this lower part. That's one more time in the middle. By the 2 halves of the skirt's body. And if you want to expand, you will expand. It comes out, but how to make sure? It's this side that we don't use for folding. Yeah, but the end of this cross section. It's going to be equal to the waist number on the body, and we're going to adjust this line into the road, the curve, so we allowed to expand. Whatever you want, you can get the dress. As much as you want, ladies. In the same way, we will do the same. The body behind the body is the same as I did. You will do the same as the previous one, we just need to. If I do that, I will get the dress. A maxi is like a picture. I wish you success. Thank you Shin Cho and see you.